Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product related. Today, we've got something special for you, especially if you're a fan of tattoos and want to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. We're talking about the best sunblock for tattoos on the market, Hustle Butter Deluxe Tattoo Butter. Now, before we dive into all the details, let me tell you that this product is not just your ordinary tattoo aftercare cream. It's a multi-purpose tattoo care essential that will leave you amazed. Whether you're getting a new tattoo or want to enhance the brilliance of your existing ink, this stuff has got you covered. First things first, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this sleek and convenient tub, and a little goes a long way, making it an economical choice. Now, what makes Hustle Butter Deluxe truly exceptional is its versatility. You can use it during all stages of the tattooing process, before, during, and after. It's like a one-stop solution for all your tattoo care needs. Here's why you need this in your tattoo care arsenal. Apply it before getting inked, and it helps make your skin soft and supple. This ensures a smoother tattooing experience. Hustle Butter Deluxe provides superior glide, making it easier for your artist to work their magic. Plus, it doesn't remove stencils or lead to clogged tubes. It's not just for tattoo day. Use it post-tattoo to promote faster healing, reduce redness, swelling, and bleeding. Your colors will pop like never before. One of the standout features of this product is its all-natural, vegan ingredients. No harsh chemicals here. It's made from shea, mango, aloe butter, coconut, sunflower, rice bran oils, rosemary oleoresin, green tea, vitamin E complex, and even mint arvinus essential oil. It's a tattoo's best friend. I've used Hustle Butter Deluxe, and I can vouch for its effectiveness. The smell, oh my! It's a delightful mango and vanilla scent that's subtle yet pleasant. And the consistency is perfect. It goes on smooth and hydrates your skin without feeling greasy. Here's an interesting tidbit. While it's designed for tattoos, some folks have found it useful for other purposes, like soothing burns. I've heard it can work wonders for sunburn too, thanks to its moisturizing properties. So, there you have it, folks, the best sunblock for tattoos and a whole lot more. Hustle Butter Deluxe Tattoo Butter. Whether you're a tattoo enthusiast or simply want top-notch skincare, this product is a must-try. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and packed with natural goodness. If you've tried Hustle Butter Deluxe or have any questions about it, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, take care of your tattoos and stay tuned for more amazing product discoveries.